Hello students, we will be learning the concept called cosine rule. Now remember one thing, difference between sine rule and cosine rule is what? When three sides are given, okay, along are given, one criteria when three sides are given or two sides and one angle given, which is this sum itself, we will follow cosine rule. Okay, that is the main thing. In case of cosine rule, when all three sides are given, we will follow cosine rule, or when two sides and one angle given, we will follow cosine rule. In case of sine rule, when when you will follow, when two sides and one angle or two angles and one side given, you will follow sine rule. So for cosine rule, three sides are given, cosine rule, or two sides and one angle, and for sine rule, two sides and one angle or two angle and one side. Asterisk thing, make a note of this. In this, the basic formula for cosine rule is a square plus b square. A square is equal to b square plus c square. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos A. Now, how we will decide what is our A, B, C? Very important to decide A, then you can take B or C, anything. So if 58 degree, this in this question, this degree is given. So then this is our A. This degree itself indicates angle opposite, side opposite to this degree is our A. You can take anything B and C. For B and C, then whatever remaining sides are there, either of it you can take B or C. Okay. What is important is A. Okay. So here my subject is A. I have to find A, x square. B square is 10.6 square. C square is 13.9 square. Minus 2 into 10.6 into 13.9. Cos is what? It is 58 degree. Straight away implementation on the calculator. So x square is equal to, straight away take it on your calculator, 10.6 square plus 13.9 square minus 2 into 10.6 into 13.9 into cos, take it on calculator, 58. So we got x square as 149.141. Take whole thing, just keep it on your calculator like that. I want only x, so I'll take the square on another side. So I'll take root of this entire number. So what is x? X is equal to 12.22, which is equivalent to A. Are you all with me? So what is x? X we got as 12.22 centimeters. Now next example, here they have said find angle XZY. So I have to find this angle XZY. So this is my A, cos A. Opposite to cos A, this is my side A. So I can take anything B and C. I am taking this as B and C. Again, our formula is A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. A square is there in the question, 17 square. B square is 22 square. C square is 20 square minus 2 into BC is 22 into 20 into cos A. It is very, very important to feed your data properly on the calculator. 17 square minus 22 square minus 20 square divide by this whole thing. Because multiplication when goes on another side becomes division. So take this whole thing on calculator into, I want to find A. So I will take this and that not into, just this whole thing, cos negative, cos inverse, right? So we will be just taking this whole thing on the calculator. 17 square minus 22 square minus 20 square. I got that. So I got negative 595 divide by whole thing on the calculator, bracket open, minus 2 into 22 into 20 bracket close. We got 0.6761 cos inverse. So shift and cos, I got cos inverse. So then what is my angle XZY, which is equal to cos A is equal to, it is 47.45, which is equal to basically angle A, which is 47.45. You can round it up to 47.46, right? So this is cosine rule. Implement it properly and you all are sorted.